Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's study eukaryotic cell. As you can see here, eukaryotic cells has membrane-bound nucleus, and DNA is wrapped around histone protein, together known as chromosome. Membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus are present, which we will study separately in later videos, in later upcoming videos. Ribosome is present, which is ATS type, means larger ribosome than prokaryotes, and cell membrane present. Now cell wall is a important structure here because it present only in plant cell and fungi, but absent in animal cell. Remember this thing. And plant cell also contains organelles like chloroplast and vacuole, which are absent in animal cells. And chloroplast contain chlorophyll, which is helpful in photosynthesis, which we will study later in plant physiology unit. So don't worry about that. So this is all about eukaryotic cells, and now let's study structure and function of nucleus. Now on we will study separate each organelle of eukaryotic cells. So first organelle which we are going to study is nucleus. Nucleus, you can think about nucleus is like a headquarter of cell, from where each and everything about cell is controlled, like what will cell do, what type of substance will enter in cell, what type of substance will leave the cell. So all your kind of things about a cell is controlled from nucleus. So now let's study nucleus, what nucleus have or what it contains. Nucleus contains a material called nucleoplasm, and nucleoplasm contains molecules such as nucleotides and enzymes which are needed for DNA and RNA synthesis. Surrounded by double membrane called nuclear envelope, outer and inner membrane. Like nucleus is double membrane bounded organelle, and outer membrane is known as outer membrane, and like there is two membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. With within nuclear envelope, nuclear pore are present. At some space, membrane is absent. That place is known as nuclear pore. Nuclear pores allows molecule to enter and leave the nucleus. Outer membrane of nucleus is continuous with endoplasmic reticulum, and nucleus contains dark material called chromatin. This is very important again. Chromatin consists of DNA and histone protein. DNA present in linear form. Remember this, in prokaryotes DNA present in circular form, but in eukaryotes DNA present in linear form. Inside the nucleus there is a region darker than the rest of thing, is known as nucleolus, where a special type of RNA is produced called rRNA or ribosomal rRNA. Ribosomal RNA, this RNA participate in protein synthesis and required during protein synthesis. At nucleolus, subunit of ribosome are assembled. Ribosome has two units, one is large and another is small. At the time of protein synthesis, assembly of these two units of ribosome are required. So assembly of these two units of ribosome are take place at nucleolus. So this is all about nucleus. Thank you so much for watching this video.